friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of September the 26th to October the 2nd. And lots of really good deals in this flyer, so I'm quite excited. And let's remember, with this week, we have a brand new month over at Walgreens. So there's going to be new monthly promotions, so on and so forth. This weekend, the October P&G should be coming out, so definitely thumb through the newspaper if you buy it at the newsstand to make sure the insert is there. Along with, we're going to have a new big book of savings as well, along with new monthly deals, which I'm really excited for. If you have been so lucky to receive this guy, check your digital coupons folder. It is a booster for this specific week. So it's valid from the 26th to the 2nd. It is of a one-time use. And yes, it can be stacked with one paper booster that comes out of the Catalina machine if you're lucky to receive one. Pay with your debit or credit card for the balance, as is the spend booster, to ensure that you'll get the Walgreens cash. And my haul will be delayed on Sunday because I'm hoping to be out of town. I still have to clear customs and all this stuff to go see my mom up in Canada, so I'm a long ways from being there. But if you don't see a haul from me on Sunday, at the very latest, it'll be up on Tuesday. And always with the beginning of a new month over at Walgreens, if any idea that last week was really awful, sometimes that first Sunday of a new month can be a bit challenging. So if you don't see a video from me on Sunday, that is specifically why I'm probably out of town. Okay, so the first little dealio that we have is with these P&G products. 2x4 and get back a $6 register reward. I don't see any hint of a digital coupon for any of the items, so we'll absolutely have to check on Sunday morning if there is digital coupons for all of these products. Okay, so let's throw this booster in if you might have it with this deal. Like, why not? And then we will be a little short from hitting that $20 mark. So you know what? One of these caramels is exactly 33 cents. So I'm definitely going to throw this into the mix. Now, the last couple of weeks, those P&G coupons, sometimes they show up, sometimes they don't. But I know a lot of you are going really hard with the Airheads the week previous. So what if you have 5? Let's use 5 of these register rewards. And because it is a manufacturer, yes, you can use 5. Ensure that the cashier scans every single barcode, so every single register reward will apply. Okay, so for this basket, I'm going to go for those FEBREZE double packs because like $4.99 for that. Hello. Let's grab 4 of them for $19.96 and then 1 Itsy Bitsy Caramel for 33 cents found at the checkout lane. So my total here is $20.29. I have my 5 back when I spend 20 booster loaded, and then I'm going to present 5 of those $1.29 register rewards. $6.45 is melting off. I'm going to use my debit card and pay $13.84, and then I'm getting back a $6 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster. So it shakes this out to $2.84. Hi, I think that's super smart. Remember not to use your Walgreens cash because we're using a spend booster, and triple check for digital coupons on Sunday morning. Okay, the next deal that we're going to do is with the Almay Revlon. $5 register reward when you buy 2 cosmetic or eye tools. It looks mostly like eye makeup there, so I'm not even going to touch lip products just yet until we see what is tagged starting on Sunday morning. So these are the digitals that we're going to use. We have a 7 off of 2, and we have to do this in 2 separate transactions, or the Almay. So a couple weeks ago, I was saying to load these coupons, so hopefully you loaded them so you can do this deal. Okay, so for the Revlon, I'm going to grab 2 of those eyeshadow creams for $6.99. So 2 of them is $13.98. Subtracting the 7 off of 2 digital, you're paying $6.98 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward. Remember, it's 1 register reward per transaction. So it is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal on its own. It should work out beautifully for you. It's shaking it out to $1.99 for 2, or $1.98 for 2, or 99 cents per eyeshadow. Going with the Almay eyeliners for $7.99. 2 of them is $15.98. Subtracting that 7 off of 2 digital, you're paying $8.98 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward. I mean, it's cheaper makeup. And remember, it's 1 register reward per transaction. So if you wanted to do Revlon and Almay, 2 separate transactions. And if you're just buying this guy on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. Okay, now we're going to look at some Pantene. It's 3 for $12, and my favorite, which is the 5 off of 3 digital, will be there, along with in this weekend's insert, plus $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on this promotion. So let's pair it with this booster, 5 back when you spend $20. And here's the math. Let's grab 6 of the Pantenes for $24 on the nose, subtracting the 5 off of 3 digital, and also the 5 off of 3 from the October P&G. So you'll need at least one little insert coupon for that. You're paying $14 out of pocket with your debit card, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, $5 for the booster, and then $5 for the promotion, making it $4 for the 6 or 66 cents per shampoo. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one, as it is a spend booster. Alrighty, so looking at this chart, if you're going to buy 2 of these products, you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash. How nice is that? Okay, so here's a quick little deal. Grabbing 2 bags of the Pampers, that's $20 on the nose. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday, so loading that. You're going to pay $17 and then get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $13 for the 2 or $6.50 per bag. Okay, the next little promo that we have is with the Old Spice body wash, grabbing 3 of them on a promotion of 2 for $11. The third one is 50% of that cost, so it's going to be $16.50. We also have a digital 5 off of 3, so you're going to pay $11.50 out of pocket and then get back your $4 in Walgreens cash. It shakes it out to $2.50 per body wash. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're not doing it with one of those spend boosters, absolutely go for it. And then the little freebie in the mix is with the oral care. So grabbing 2 of these, maybe a wash and a paste. They're $3 each, so that's $6 digital off of each. So you'll pay $4 out of pocket, get back your $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're buying this guy on its own, absolutely go for it. Okay, guys, so this promotion is kind of interesting. It's $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. Valid till the 23rd, so that is a little bit. We're going to be going with those Head & Shoulders for 2 for $12. I know a lot of you use that, so why not throw it in with one of these boosters if you might have it. So the one that I have here is 5 back when you spend $20. So just throw it in there. You have nothing to lose. Grabbing 4 of the Head & Shoulders shampoo, that's $24. Make sure your booster is loaded, 5 back when you spend $20. Subtracting the 3 off of 2 digital and 1 insert coupon, the 3 off of 2 from the October P&G. You're paying $18 out of pocket with your debit card, and then you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash. 5 for the booster and 5 for spending $20, making it $8 for the 4 or $2 per Head & Shoulders shampoo. Do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance because this is a spend offer. Okay, now we're going to look at a little toothpaste deal with Colgate, $3.99, 3 off of 2 digital, $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So we are going to grab 2 of the pastes for $7.98. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital coupon, load that guy on Sunday morning. You're paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it 98 cents for the 2. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, like to even Steven do a roll here, you can absolutely spend it to earn it. Okay, now we're going to talk about some Renews It cones. Buy 4, get 2 for free. So that is a digital coupon that you have to load on Sunday morning. So they are 89 cents per cone. So for this promotion, we are going to have to grab 6 of them for $5.34. We're getting 2 for free, so $1.78 should just melt off. You're going to pay $3.56, shaking it out to 59 cents per cone. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're just doing this dealio on its own, absolutely go for it. Okay, let's talk about honorable mention time. First little thing I want to talk about is this, and this isn't really an honorable mention, it's just a little editorial by yours truly. Tide Simply used to be $2.99, it's jumped to $3.29. I see that. Price increase. Also, this is just an average deal, $1.99, 50-cent digital, dropping it down to $1.49. Probably the Ajax, the best bang for your buck if you like that dish soap. Suavitel is also quite fantastic. Little something. One thing I did notice in this flyer, there is no Scott for $5 where you buy one and get one 50% off, so $7.50 for the two. This might be our best bet for paper products for the month of October. I'm not sure if there's going to be some promotion with the Scott, but I didn't see it in the flyer, so that kind of makes me wonder, they're talking about paper prices increasing. Who knows, really? We don't know. One thing I almost had a heart attack at the store was seeing the cost of kitty litter and cat food. My gosh, it's really jumped up. $8.99 for this. Use a bit of Walgreens cash, and that's probably the cheapest way to get this product. So yeah, $8.99. And then kids' toys. There's also rumors that there's a toy shortage that's going to be happening, this Christmas. $19.99. This might not be your favorite stuff, but you might want to grab a toy or two for this cost. Maybe throw in $20 of Walgreens cash. And our soda deal of the week is to buy two and to get one for free, priced at $6.99. So if you're a Coke drinker, this might be a deal pour vous. The candy deal of the week is $1.99 for the Tootsie Rolls, those pops, and then the bubble gum. So how nice is that? Maybe there'll be an IBOTTA rebate. Wouldn't that be nice? And the final little honorable mention that we have is with the canned tuna, 4 for $5. Time to stock up, guys. Seems like things are going to be getting really expensive quickly. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.